If you have been procured from China using Pinduoduo app for a very long time, or you are very new to Pinduoduo app, and this is the first time you are hearing about Pinduoduo app for the first time, and you don't really know how you can navigate on your dashboard or how you can navigate from the home page to your profile, and everything you need to understand as far as when you make payment, when your goods get on transit, and where you track your goods. Everything, I'm going to explain it to you. I'm going to break it down step by step in this particular video right here, okay? So, but before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you enjoy this content, please give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in a comment section down below. And lastly but not the least, if you want to connect with me for importation business related issue, you can connect with me with the number on the screen right here on WhatsApp. So with that being said, so let's get started and see how you can actually understand everything about your Pinduoduo app for procurement and shipping from China. So let's get started. So first thing first, you need to open up your Pinduoduo app. So right here, all right, so when you open up your Pinduoduo app, it looks like this. And then let's start from the home page. Right here, this is refers to as the home page, the exactly page you have right now. So at this point here, this is where some of the product video are stored. Okay, sometimes you might check on some of the product video from there, or sometimes you might decide not to go on that page. So at this point here, this is where all the messages you have been communicate with supplier, all the message gets to this point. So the last point here, this is where you access your this is where you access your profile and that or dashboard on Pinduoduo app. So if I click on that, it takes me to my profile page right here. Now let's take a look at the profile and explain what are the things you need to understand here as far as Pinduoduo app profile page is concerned. So from the first point here, from the number one here, this is whatever product you have not paid for. Maybe for instance, you are trying to place an order and you get to a checkout, you are not yet authorized the payment. So if you don't authorize the payment, it moves right here, and the product is going to stay here for about 24 hours before the product will be cancelled. Or better still, you can also cancel the product if eventually you are not interested to buy the product any longer. So this is one of the function of this is one of the things you can do as far as if you have not yet authorized payment on Pinduoduo is concerned. Another reason why by which you have an unauthorized payment at this page is that if a seller is going to give you a discount in whatever you are going to buy, so what you have to do in this regard is that you need to place the order. So when you get to where you need to enter your payment password, you have to cancel the order. So when you cancel the order, you're going to have the order number. When you click on here, the order will move here and you're going to get the order number at this particular point here. So you can copy the order number and send the order number to the seller so that they can modify the price of the parcel before you can do a final payment. And if you want to do a final payment, you can easily come back here and do your final payment. So that is for order you have not yet authorized the payment. So right here, which is the second section right here, so the second section here is the order you have paid for successfully. Okay, so if I click on this page here, you are going to see the order I have made payment for successfully. But in this regard, when you pay for the order successfully, it moves to that page, and when it moves to this page, so you'll be able to see you can easily get your order number from this page also. So that is for a successful payment order is going to move this page. So when you are paying successfully, the parcel or the goods move to this page. Now at the third one here, which is this, is a situation whereby you have paid for the order and the seller have confirmed your payment and they are ready to ship your parcel. It's moved down right here. So these are the goods that are ready for shipment. So if I click on that, you're going to see all the goods that I have right here that is ready for shipment. Okay, so from here you can also get the order number at this point here. Now move down right here. This is the which is the fourth stage. So the fourth stage right here is this is the process of every goods that is on transit. So all this parcel here have been shipped out from the supplier, is going to my shipping warehouse address in China. So this is how everything move from stage 1 to the fourth stage. So the very last stage right here is where you give a feedback. Now, if I click on here now, you see some of the previous parcel, some of the goods I've bought in the past that need a review. So for you to make a review, you can easily, if the product is okay, you can give the seller 5-star review. So if the product is not okay, so then you can also upload the product picture or upload the video of the product and then write in whatever the review you want to give the seller. So this is all the previous product I have bought in the past, and I have not yet given any feedback to any of the seller right here, so because I don't have time for that. So but if you would like to give a feedback to seller, this is where you have to click, but your product must be reach the destination, which simply means that you have successfully received the parcel and then the seller has been delivered to your address successfully. So at this point, this is where you can give a feedback. So this is the last stage of procurement and shipping from China customer, from China supplier to your shipping address in China. Okay, so now at this point here, there are stuff you still need to know as far as your profile page or dashboard is concerned on Pinduoduo. So from the point right here, this is where you have your product in cart. Whatever product you have is going to be here. This is your cart, and then here, this is where your refund is tracking. If you have any refund from any seller, so if I click on that, you will see all my previous refund I have collected from some of the supplier that do not deliver the parcel. So this is where all your refunds take place. So you will be able to see, you'll be able to track the refund, or you'll be able to see if the refund has been processed successfully. So guys, this is what I have for you guys as far as shipping from China using Pinduoduo is concerned, and how you can actually understand your Pinduoduo profile or Pinduoduo dashboard. Everything in this video has been successfully explained to you guys. So if you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any business or if you have any business for me as far as China importation or some other country importation is concerned, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen of this video, or you check the description of this video to connect with me on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.